the Circuit Playground Bluefruit. This is an NRF52840 base chip, but it's in the same Circuit Playground and Circuit Playground Express form factor that people love. It is a Bluetooth rather than infrared for doing communication between devices. I'm powering up my peripheral, LiPo, and power up the client. These are now going to connect to each other, so the peripheral just connected to the client. And you'll see if I hold one of the cap touch pads, I'll get a little red LED circle flowing around. I'll get a green one with this pad. I'll get a blue one with this pad, and I can also mix those. So if I do combinations of those, I'll get little swirling patterns. So that's all just device to device using Bluetooth LED. It is the Circuit Playground Bluefruit.